Hello, what's up, children? I believe that you all must be studying online seriously. Well, children, the chapter which we are going to have is really going to be your favorite, like me. Reason being, most of us do the same. If we do not feel like studying in the class, then what do? We play cross and knots, Sudoku, or draw cartoons of a teacher who is just front of us or of our class fellows. So, this is the chapter really you are going to enjoy a lot, like me. I have just gone through the chapter and I found it so interesting. So, students, the chapter name is When I Was 12. Now, when I was 12 sounds like it is written by a boy who is 12-year old. So here the writer has considered himself a 12-year boy, and he has written everything what he felt in his childhood and what had happened with him in the classes. So let's read the interesting account from the early childhood of R.K. Lakshman, an eminent cartoonist. So he was a very famous cartoonist in his time. Even he is really famous nowadays too. So let's start the reading. We all went to a Kannad municipal school. It was a most elegant school, not the kind of municipal school we have today. Don't forget the Maharaja of Mysore himself took a special interest in the school. All the teachers, with rare exceptions, were excellent. Now, this writer is telling or appreciating his school because his school was excellent or elegant, means it was so grand, बहुत ही शानदार था, and that is not similar as we have nowadays kind of principal schools. It was quite different. Even Maharaja of Mysore used to take interest in the school जिस स्कूल में वो पढ़ते थे. Why the Maharaja of Mysore used to take interest? Because the teachers were so excellent and they were having exceptions qualities. Every child dreads the presence of a teacher, but I had a particularly nasty one. So now he's telling that in that school, in that school, generally, a child fears fears the presence of teacher, डरता है but teacher से. But I had particularly nasty one, but I was not like other children. I was quite different. Even I had myself nasty habits. Nasty means बहुत ही bogus or kind of जो अच्छा ना हो. Being an arithmetic teacher, I don't think he had any sense of compassion, pity. He was only committed to his arithmetic. Somebody has three mangoes, somebody has four, together how much? So now, students, this paragraph is making me remember the days when I never liked the school days, because my math teacher used to beat us black and blue, and I was also one of these children that I used to get beaten by the teacher, especially by math teacher. So as he's saying that his mathematic teacher, his arithmetic teacher, uh, has no compassion or pity. He is not a kind person, because arithmetic teachers are very rude. It is considered, it is said that arithmetic teachers are rude, बहुत strict होते हैं, and they keep beating the students every time, and they have got boring way of teaching, because they keep teaching it like he has also said, three mangoes and four mangoes, then how much, kitna hua. So the simple thing we could not get the hang of. So he's telling that I was not even getting what he was teaching in the class. That was so simple for others, but for me, it was not cup of tea. मेरे लिए मेरी बस की बात नहीं थी. I wasn't getting the hang of. मैं उस चीज़ को सीख नहीं पा रहा था, और इवन मेरा खुद से इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. दैट्स वाई आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू learn that. So we mumbled and he twisted our ears and shouted. Now, because when we don't pay attention to the class, what teachers do with us? they come and they start scolding. So same happened with him, that the teacher got his senses and he came to him and twisted his ears and shouted at him, उस पे चिल्ला दिया. He was target of my caricature. One day he had written the usual sum on the blackboard. Ram has 3 mangoes, Krishna has 4. It was a simple sum, but quite beyond me. Now, so again, one day, actually, caricature mean a funny drawing or picture of somebody that exaggerates some of their features. So, caricature means when we draw something, targeting something, किसी को somebody कि किसी का कार्टून अगर हम बना रहे हैं, so we make big ears, big eyes, और स्टैंडिंग पॉस्चर में उसके हेयर होते हैं ब्रिस्लिंग टाइप में, मतलब बहुत ही रफ हेयर बना देते हैं जस्ट टू मेक फन ऑफ दैट पर्सन, उसको मजाक उड़ाने के लिए. सो हियर द टीचर हैड ऑलरेडी गॉट टू नो अबाउट हिज कैरिकेचर आर्ट, जो ड्राइंग वगैरह करता है. सो ही हैड ऑलरेडी नोन, सो ही यूज टू टारगेट हिम एवरी टाइम. So one day what happened, the teacher gave him a very simple question that he could not solve it. उसको भी solve नहीं कर पाया. It was beyond him. उसके समझ से बिल्कुल परे था. I thought he would not ask me. So I sat hiding behind that the other who like me were all short like boys. So he's saying that he never thought being caught by the same teacher. So he sat behind, and he sat behind those students, those class fellows who were short heighted, and they used to like him also. So हम किसी के पीछे तब बैठते हैं जो कि हम उसके पीछे हमेशा बैठते हैं जिससे जो हमें हमेशा फेवर कर लो, हमारी जो रॉन्ग एक्टिविटीज़ हो उस पर पर्दा उसको हाइड कर ले. So he also did the same. He was sitting at the back and making the sketch of his teacher. I started sketching. It looked very much like a tiger. Now he's telling about his sketching, his caricature, that what he made, what he drew, his teacher, it became a tiger. वो tiger की जैसा दिखने लगा. A man with bristling mustache, teeth, and all that developed as the question went on. So जब तक टीचर ने उससे पूछा था, by the time the teacher asked him question, he could draw his teacher's bristling mustache. It means जो बिल्कुल हेयरी मुस्टैच होती है, मूछें बहुत ही घनी होती हैं, टीथ उसने बना लिए थे. So all these things he could prepare, and at the same time the question came from his teacher, and he was in the first row. So when he was drawing, the teacher was in first row, but he never got to know when teacher came and stood just before him. I was in the last, और मैं बिल्कुल पीछे बैठा था. I got involved in caricature. Suddenly I felt a piercing pain in my left ear. I turned. So he was too much indulged drawing his teacher's cartoon that he could not come to know when teacher came and stood and twisted his ear, and he got piercing, यानी बहुत ही splitting, बहुत ही एक high pain उसको हुआ. And then he felt that the teacher has come. So you have drawn me. Now teacher is asking, you have drawn me? I said, no sir, I did not draw you. Then he denied, saying, this sir, I did not draw you. Now let's see next two lines in the last line. But he could recognize it through all the likeness to a tiger, that it was he. Of course, I was punished. So though he denied that, sir, it's not you, but the teacher got to know that he recognized, उसने पहचान लिया that he has just drawn me only in his notebook, because teacher also knew that he also looks like a tiger. Now it is this child's perception कि हाँ वो teacher को भी पता चल गया था कि हाँ somewhere he is similar to a tiger, that's why he could recognize, इसलिए उसने अपने आप को पहचान लिया. And finally, of course, what happened, students? He got punished, जैसे punishment मिली. So, students, I'm just going to wind up this class, and soon we'll have the next video of the same chapter, and I'll divide this chapter into 3-4 parts so that easily you can get all the things, you can understand it properly. So students, if you see that I have underlined some words, even some many words are there which I thought that you must be confused while reading the chapter, because a teacher, every teacher wants their students to read all the chapter. So students, I also want you to read the chapter and then go through all the meanings. uh, Take help from a dictionary, सारे dictionary से meanings निकाल लिए गए, then read the chapter and get the sense, get the story जितना मैंने पढ़ाया है, try it on your own. And once the chapter is done, I'll provide you with the question answer. So children, take care, bye bye, and see you soon.